2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata. A legend reborn. The perfect harmony of precision engineering, breathtaking design, and the pure joy of driving. Standing in a luxurious showroom, bathed in soft, ambient lighting, this masterpiece captures attention from every angle. The sleek silhouette, sculpted with aerodynamic perfection, reflects the essence of speed, agility, and elegance. A vision of automotive artistry, refined and reimagined. The polished body, finished in an exquisite deep metallic hue, gleams under the showroom lights, accentuating every contour, every line, every detail. Light dances across the surface, highlighting the carefully crafted aerodynamics that make this roadster an icon. A low stance, aggressive front grille, and sharp LED headlights give it a commanding presence. Every inch is a testament to innovation and craftsmanship. The showroom itself is a sanctuary of luxury. Marble floors gleam beneath the soft glow of recessed lighting, reflecting the Mazda MX-5 Miata's striking profile. The walls, adorned with premium textures and high-end finishes, complement the car's sophisticated aura. Glass panels stretch from floor to ceiling, creating a seamless blend of modern architecture and automotive excellence. And on the grand display wall, in bold, elegant lettering, the name stands proudly: 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Step closer. Feel the energy. The meticulously designed exterior isn't just about aesthetics, it's about performance. Every curve, every crease, every aerodynamic element is engineered to enhance speed and handling. The lightweight chassis, composed of high-strength materials, ensures a perfect balance of durability and agility. The new generation alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, promise unrivaled grip and control. As you glide your hand over the sculpted hood, you can sense the power beneath. A heart that beats with precision, a redefined Skyactiv G engine, tuned for exhilarating performance. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata offers a choice of powertrains, each delivering an unforgettable driving experience. A naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engine, refined to perfection, delivers instant throttle response, while an available turbocharged variant offers an extra surge of adrenaline. Every press of the accelerator ignites a symphony of power, precision, and passion. Open the door, slide into the cockpit. The interior is a seamless blend of luxury and driver-focused engineering. Premium leather seats, ergonomically contoured for maximum comfort, cradle you perfectly. The soft-touch dashboard, adorned with brushed aluminum accents, exudes sophistication. Every control, every dial, every switch is placed with intention, within effortless reach, designed for intuitive operation. The steering wheel, wrapped in supple leather, feels like an extension of your hands. Responsive, precise, and perfectly weighted, it connects you to the road in a way only the MX-5 Miata can. The instrument cluster, a digital analog fusion, provides real-time performance data with crystal-clear clarity. A high-resolution infotainment display sits at the center, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep you connected, while a premium Bose sound system immerses you in pure audio bliss. Start the engine. The MX-5 Miata comes alive with a deep, resonant growl. A sound that stirs the soul, promising an electrifying ride ahead. The lightweight construction and near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution ensure razor-sharp handling. Every turn, every curve, every open road becomes an invitation to drive. The enhanced suspension system absorbs every imperfection, delivering a ride that's both dynamic and refined. The Roadster responds to your every command, an extension of your instincts, creating an unbreakable bond between driver and machine. Drop the top. In just seconds, the sky opens up. The wind rushes through your hair, the sun kisses your skin, and the world feels limitless. The MX-5 Miata's retractable roof is engineered for effortless operation, seamlessly disappearing into the body with a simple press of a button. Whether it's a leisurely cruise along the coast or a spirited drive through the mountains, the open-air experience enhances every moment. But it's not just about speed and style. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is equipped with cutting-edge safety features, ensuring peace of mind without compromising the thrill. Advanced driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, enhance confidence on every journey. The reinforced frame, combined with state-of-the-art airbag systems, offers maximum protection while maintaining the Roadster's lightweight agility. This is more than just a car. It's an experience, a statement, a legacy. The Mazda MX-5 Miata has been an icon for over 3 decades, and the 2025 model continues to push the boundaries of what a roadster can be. It embodies the philosophy of Jinba Itai, the harmony between driver and machine, where every movement feels instinctive, every response immediate. As you stand in the luxurious showroom, taking in the breathtaking presence of the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, you realize this is not just a vehicle, it's a passion. A dream brought to life. The bold display on the wall serves as a reminder of its excellence, its heritage, its future. 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata. A car that doesn't just transport you from place to place, it takes you on a journey. A journey of exhilaration, freedom, and pure driving joy. A legend, reimagined, ready for the road.